Hey friends, my name is Basti, welcome back to this new video on my channel Fossil Wildlife. And today I want to share with you a project. So I bought this glass cabinet, this glass showcase, which we want to fill with fossils, with all these Ice Age fossils I found in the last 2 years in the gravel pit. And yeah, so this shelf will be empty and we have space for other fossils, because we want to fill this glass showcase with all the Ice Age fossils. And maybe you noticed that another shelf was standing right here, and I pushed this one away, so it's standing right here in the room. But my plan is that it change the place with this stair-like shelf or whatever you want to call this. And yeah, I want to put this out of the room so that this one will stand right there. And yeah, I'm not sure if we can achieve that all in today's video, but I would say let's go. Short info for you, when you tap on your screen, you see the timestamps, the chapters of this video, so that you have a good orientation of this video. Yeah, and you see, firstly, we have to clean all the glass panes, so that we can look into the showcase and see the wonderful fossils in full glory. And yeah, in this video I want to show you examples or inspirations how you can display your fossils. So in my opinion, glass showcases are the best places for fossils, so you protect your fossils against dust, and the items are easily visible, so you can see them clearly through the glass door. And yeah, glass showcases are really elegant and stylish setting for your favorite prehistoric items. So I really love glass showcases, and I want to share with you this project. Hey, I also cleaned the removable shelves, and now I'm putting them back into the showcase. Now the entire glass case is completely clean, and we can start filling it with the Ice Age fossils which are laying on this shelf there. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in fossil videos like fossil hunting, fossil preparation, or other videos in which I share with you my hobby. And I would really appreciate it if you support me. So as you can see, the glass showcase is full of fossils, and at the end of the video you will see all the fossils in a close-up. And now I'm filling this shelf with bigger and heavier Ice Age bones, like all the deer antler pieces on the right, or the piece of woolly mammoth tibia on the yellow colored cloth. And there I placed 2 tibia and 2 radius bones of bisons. You also see them at the end of the video. I put the horse mandible at the top of the showcase, and I fill the shelf with other Ice Age bones I found in the last 2 years in the gravel pit, like vertebrae or little bison horn core. Here you see this wooden board which is fixed to the wall, and how I place the bison jaws and mammoth tooth and the other bones on this shelf. And here you see another wooden board I rearrange. For example, there are the modern horse leg with the proximal phalanx toe bone, the cannon bone, and the carpal bones. Other bones are coming along here. Yeah, so let's take a closer look at the items. I haven't changed this shelf so far. I also haven't rearranged this wooden board with the Cretaceous fossils on the right and the modern skulls on the left, which you saw in the mineralization video. In the foreground you see the modern horse leg bone, and in the background there are chunks of Ice Age bones. But I don't only find Ice Age fossils. I think this is an agate because of the banding, but I'm not sure. I also find 30 million year old fossils like the shells and snails. This is a shell imprint, and this is a chunky piece of petrified wood. On this wooden board we see this fox jaw, a mammoth tooth, this piece of mammoth shoulder blade, and some bison jaws. And here we have bigger and heavier bones. Like these radius bones and these tibia bones of bisons. This is part of a woolly mammoth tibia, big bone. Here you see, for example, two vertebrae, a humerus and a horn core, and all these are my Ice Age deer antler pieces. This is the biggest one, and it belongs to a giant deer called Megaloceros giganteus. The antler was the biggest one of all creatures which ever lived on our Earth. So you see, the Pleistocene wildlife is really exciting, and yeah, tells a great history. And now we take a look into the filled glass showcase. At the top, the horse mandible, yeah, the lower jaw. And on the first glass shelf I placed all my bison jaws and single bison teeth, and this piece of deer mandible. Here we have all the mammoth molars and tusk pieces. I have 4 pieces of mammoth teeth, of mammoth molars, and a lot of chunks of ivory of mammoth tusk. Maybe you can see the Schreger lines, yeah, the typical structure of ivory. Then we have this partial horse mandible and the single horse teeth, which belong to mandibles and maxillas. Piece of skull, a knee bone, and the 2 teeth of woolly rhinoceros, and the beaver humerus. This is a partial mandible of a woolly rhinoceros. In the background there is a pelvic bone of a rhinoceros as well. The jaw piece with the incisors. On this glass shelf there are all my vertebrae, which belong to different mammals of the Ice Age wildlife, like bison, horse or deer. Here I have all the cannon bones and some nice toe bones of horses and bisons or deers. Here we have a part of a horse leg, the cannon bone, the 2 toe bones, and the hoof you can see on the left. And here you see one of my best Ice Age fossils. It's a half of a bison skull. If you want to see more of my fossil collection, be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next episode of this rearrange project. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I see you next time.